and facilities for a brighter future generation. Before starting my speech, I would like to present two interesting facts which many of us would be aware of. First one is the death tortoise. Once, there was a mountain which is filled with many obstacles. All animals in that forest wanted to climb that mountain and show their strength and bravery to the others, but all their efforts were in vain. Next came a tortoise. That tortoise also had the same desire, so he also climbed. And then finally he reached his destination with all the obstacles. Later on, when he came down, all the animals got to know that he was deaf. Like this, we should give deaf ears to people who are constantly discouraging us. Next comes Google Maps. Right from kids to elders, I think so everyone has heard the word Google Maps. Whenever we take a wrong turn, what do? Yes, we use Google Maps to reroute us. Have you ever noticed that our path is different, but the destination is always the same? Your destination, which is how to make a society a better place for living with harmony for a brighter future generation, should not be a moving target. And your path can be different from the previous one. With this, I would like to begin my speech. I think so everyone here can confidently accept that all of us are getting the fruits based on the seeds sown by our parents, ancestors, and millions of unknown well-wishers. I wanted to reiterate the importance of being thoughtful about our own actions as individuals within home, which we can thrive to make it contagious in the society which we are lived in. Whenever our parents think of buying a home, the first thing they will see is how is the neighborhood surrounding the place. Will they compromise on the safety and the harmony of the place? I, on behalf of everyone, will accept the fact that they will not choose such a kind of place. Did you know that a neighborhood without harmony is not a safe or happy place to live in? There will always be many opportunities knocking on our door, which we should be wise enough to choose the one which is constructive and helps in nurturing our responsibilities for a brighter future. Let us avoid thinking of exceptions, which are always there in each initiative we introduce or practice, as there will be a group of people trying not to understand the importance of being responsible now. We need to untangle their thoughts and blend them in our ideas in an uncoupled way and persuade them to come along with us to make the future a better place for the society and the world around us today. Isn't it our responsibility that I should take oath to make the future generation of ours get back the happiness we got? Indeed. Before ending my speech, I would like to end it in a funny note. Have you ever seen how harmonious your house is before you're getting ready to school? Have you seen the faces of your parents? Your face? Your parents' face will be so tense, looking for things. You will be so tense, looking for your parents. So what I have decided is to make my house harmonious and then go to the environment to make it harmonious so that I get new ideas. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankitha. That was a thought-provoking speech. Thank you very much.